In this video, we'll show you how to delete your Google Play Store purchase history. So if you go to your Play Store profile and then tap payments and subscriptions and then go to this budget and history tab, you will see all the apps and games that you have purchased on the Google Play Store. Now if you want to remove a specific app from this list, what you can do is head back to the main Play Store menu. Now tap this profile icon and then go to manage apps and device. Now here you will need to switch to this manage tab right here. Now here you should see all the apps that are installed by default on your phone. Simply tap this menu and then select not installed. So this will basically list all the apps that are currently not installed on your phone. Simply select the app that you want to remove from your Play Store purchase history and then tap this trash icon at the top. Now select remove. Once you do this, the app will no longer appear in your Play Store purchase history. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.